Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put about sin x square everything to the power of 2. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sin x square. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 2 sin x cosine x dx. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for u. Sin x ds, sin x cosine x ds we change for this one. The integration of this one, we have arctan of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about sin x square. Now let's go to the next one. This one we can put cosine x square everything to the power of 2. Later that we need to use integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x square. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number 2 sin x cosine x ds. Next, because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change for u. Sin x cosine x ds we change for this one. So the integration of this one, we have arctan of u. About u, that is about cosine x square. This is the end. Thank you for watching.